What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I do believe this is the last video I'm going to be filming today, but I have the Seoul Beauty monthly subscription. This is Korean skincare. This came across my feed and I was just so curious to try it. So beautifully packaged. I mean, look at how cute that is with the little stamp seal, and it's like rice paper instead of tissue paper because it is Korean skincare. But I think you get 6 full-size Korean skincare products. And honestly, I ordered this so long ago, I forget what I even chose. You do get to choose every single item that you receive, so that's kind of cool. First thing is My Skin's Turning Point Return Pore Shooter Cleansing Balm. I am almost out of my current cleansing balm, which is why I ordered this product. Literally go through it like crazy. Oh, cute. It has like a little spoon in the top. Oh wow, it's definitely a different texture than I thought it would be. I thought it was gonna be like one of the oil type cleansing balms, like the Clinique. So that's definitely different. It has no smell. So I'm gonna give that a go for sure. Next thing is this Deep Comfort, a facial sheet mask. I think this was like a little freebie they threw in there. I don't believe I picked this. So that's cute, a little sheet mask. Next is the Skin Barrier Calming Lotion. Okay. All their packaging is like very clean and simple so far. No scent. It's very hydrating. It's almost like a gel, so that'll be great. It's like very, very lightweight. Actually, that feels so good. Love that. That's in Korean. Rose Infusion Cream, Assist Toby, Flower Water, Double Moisturizer Emollient Barrier Cream. Very medical, like all their packaging is so medical, okay? Also another little spoon. Again, no smell. I do like fragrance products, so I'm not sure if that's like a Korean brand thing to have no smell. It is a lovely moisturizer though. Okay. Next is the Tender Changa for Ultimate Nutrition and Firming, a pressed serum from Blight. The product is like a pink, again with a little spoon. I'm catching a trend here. Again, absolutely no smell. The product color is a little intimidating. Very thick. Literally no smell. None of these products have smell in them. Okay, that one's actually really nice. It's like drying down a little bit tacky, which I like. That makes me feel like it's locking in moisture. And the last product in this box, which by the way, the box is beautiful. It's like very sturdy. I'm a sucker for good packaging. And is this Ever Moist Lip Balm from Seoul. Okay, very thin. Maybe a little bit of a mint. Very thick. Just a basic lip moisturizer. Yeah, this has a little bit of mint to it. Just clean, natural beauty products. That is what was in my Seoul Beauty monthly subscription box. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.